Kamu seperti hantu terus menghantui.
Sige kag panglibak niya kada Domingo kamo simba. Mura kag santos nga giutang.
Come give me something I can feel. Oh, oh, oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Sabi ko, lalabas ako, gusto ko buksan mo yung Fidelix. Kasi doon ako connected.
Yun.
Okay? Kasi, di ba? Kasi yun eh. Oh, si Morales. So, I was like, kasi siya, meron siyang evidence. Okay? Si PRRD, alam din niya. Pero kasi, politically, parang sinasabi, oh, hindi, galit lang siya, right? Pero si Mr. Nicky Cosseteng was saying it also.
Yes.
So, ako, nakita ko, I'm an eyewitness. So, those are, yun yung kulang eh. Ako na lang yung missing puzzle there eh. So, kompleto na kami. So, hindi ko nga maintindihan po sa mga nakaupo dyan, di ba? Kompleto na ho kami. Ano pa bang kailangan yung gawin? Even the cursing, yung pagmumura ng ating mahal na presidente, parang yun wala na silang mabato. So yun na yung babato mo. Ako, ang balik ko doon, I'm sorry sasabihin niyo naman, I'm a born-again Christian, ba't ko tinotolerate na nagmumura? I rather choose to have a president na nagmumura na diretso rather than isang presidente na adik at grupo ng mga corrupt na politician.
Bigla kang iniwan, dati sobrang sweet. Lagi pang magkausap at meron pang call sign. Di na nagparamdam, sayang yung kilig. Ba't ka kasi umasa na jojowain ka, tanga ka.
Kinontempt nyo na, dinetain nyo na yung tao for due process. Sir, asaan ang explanation ng due process ninyo doon? Tinanong kita kanina, sino ang appointing authority? USEC ng ASEC. Anong sagot mo? Secretary. Hindi mo alam. Kita, sumagot. Camera. You need to reconsider that extension of your detention. It was illegal in the first place. You asked the President why he accepted the resignation. Do not ask due process.
I think the proper remedy is for you to go to the court.
Do you really want to show the Filipino people kung anong kaalaman ninyo sa batas?
Ang sinasabi ko lang po ay sundin po natin yung batas.
Kaya nga sir, sundin natin yung
Kasi
batas.
Kasi nandito po kayo dito sa bahay ng Kongreso.
Yes sir, sundin natin yung batas. Why will you penalize, punish Yusek Lopez for an act of the President? Tinutulungan ko lang kayo sir, kasi napapahiya ang Pilipinas. Ganito ba ang House of Representatives? Kita, sumagot. Camera.
Countries like the Philippines say it's Western waste littering their shores, sent to poorer countries instead of being recycled.
The president of the Philippines, Rodrigo Duterte, even made it very clear to Canada that the trash was not welcome, to send it back to Canada.
Your garbage is on the way. Prepare a grand reception. Eat it if you want to.
Oh, wow. Wow. Rodrigo Duterte does not mess around. Prepare a grand reception for your trash and eat it if you want to. It's a slam, but it's such a weirdly formal way to tell someone to shove it up their ass. No, I'd love to hear Duterte deliver a yo mama joke. It's just like, your mother has overindulged so much that the government recently bestowed upon her her own area code. Slam!
Nagloko ka rin naman, di ka lang nahuli. Pero bakit sa'kin mo lahat isinisisi? Madami kang kakulangan, alam mo sa'yo.
Sa isipan mo